What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. I was in the middle of cleaning my WeatherTech floor mats that I got about a year ago. Well, it's actually been over a year, for my Ford Taurus, and I never really made a video, and I can't remember why I didn't make a video to talk about these. So this is not going to be really a review, but really just kind of talking about the mats and, you know, the price, what I think of them, how long they last, etc. Now, the first thing about these, and the reason I got them, is because of how long they last. Second reason is how easy they are to clean, and it kind of the reason why I'm making this video is because they're so easy to clean, right? You can literally wipe them down, and then, you know, every couple of months you want to bring them out here and do what I'm doing, which is, you know, spray them down with the water hose, get a little bit of soap. What I like to use is this, you know, sponge like this, and I use both sides, but I like this part to get all of the you know, the dirt that's accumulated and kind of stuck in there. You can pick these up for, listed on the WeatherTech site, for $189. So they are very, in my opinion, very expensive. They come with these two front mats, and then you have this part here. Let me show you. So this is the back piece here, which is pretty cool, because instead of giving you two different individual mats, they protect this as well. I know some cars come with a plastic middle part there, but mine didn't, so I wanted to make sure that that gets covered as well. And this one, obviously, I don't clean as much because really nobody sits in my back seat ever, as you can tell by the stuff that I have there. But I think it provides a really good fit. I noticed that if you scroll your front seats all the way back, you might come into some contact here. But for short people like me, you really don't have a problem. Anyway, back to the front mats. So you really want to use a hose, hit it with a little bit of love, and then that's a little bit too much water, but I mean, this is how simple it is to clean them. Again, I didn't catch the first part on camera, but I already hit it with soap. I scrubbed them down, and really that's all there is to it. They're so easy to clean. The bottom part on the underneath of the mats really don't get dirty. So there's really not much to clean back there anyway. But these, again, like I said, are already cleaned. So all we need to do now is get rid of the excess soap, as you can see. And then what we're gonna do after that is lay them out under the sun for, I like to make sure that they're very dry. So maybe an hour. It is scorching hot here in my area. Like, the heat and humidity are absolutely ridiculous, as you guys saw in my other videos. So, and of course, I already hit the back part of it. But I'm gonna lay these out for a little bit. Let them dry. And kind of put them back in my car. But anyway, so overall thoughts, extremely long lasting. Once I let these dry, what I'm going to do is they're going to get like grayish, which is not a problem. That's okay. What we want to do is we want to come back with this clean sponge, hit it with maybe Armor All, or I know a lot of you are completely against Armor All, so maybe use something else like Meguiar's. I don't have Meguiar, so I'm going to use Armor All and just lightly coat them to where it brings out the shine in them. And great mats, really. They're not rubbery like some of the other mats that I've used in the past, where your foot kind of gets stuck, especially if you're wearing dress shoes like I do most of the time, where your foot kind of gets stuck or slides. This doesn't have that problem. Wood shoes, you know, if you're wearing, I guess, high heels, or for men, if you're wearing wood type or wood sole shoes, you might encounter a little bit of slippage, but in my opinion, it's not that bad to where there's a safety concern. These are great. I mean, I just throw them on. Again, I like how easy they are to clean. They don't tear or any kind of damage or anything like that, like I've had with some of the other mats that I've used that are rubber. They end up breaking. Even some of the Ford genuine floor mats have deteriorated over time, and it's nice to have something that's going to last a really long time. It's been about 30-35 minutes that I washed these, and I apologize about the noise, but these are pretty much dried. So, Armor on a sponge. Again, I know a lot of you are against Armor All, but it is what it is. If you have Meguiar's, obviously it'd be a lot better to use than Armor All. What we're doing here is we're just lightly coating these. Again, for safety reasons, I would say don't even use anything that could cause you to have slippery mats, really. Again, very lightly going to use this protectant here. And that's just to give it a little bit of shine. You don't want to completely coat these, but nice and clean. Not sure if the video is going to come out all good. I just got this new GoPro, which has a different zoom than my previous GoPro had in the past. But that's it. See, didn't put a lot, just enough to not have them look stained, I guess, all dull. We're good to go. So let's put these let's go put these on. There you go. Look at that perfect fit right there. See if I can do this with one hand, because remember I told you guys I put my seat up so that the back mat doesn't get squished. But absolutely perfect fit there. I don't know if you guys can see. I might let them dry a little bit, even more, and then come back with just a tiny bit more Armor All. I keep saying this because it's so important. Do not use anything that's going to cause your mats to be slippery. I mean, perfect fit. Look at that. I am absolutely in love with these. They are expensive, but with these, you get what you pay for. Let's go put the driver's side on. All right, so let's put this one. And I've got the original mats underneath as well. Look at that fit. I still need to clean my car, so pardon how dirty it is. I mean, the fit is absolutely phenomenal. Very happy with these. Anyway, if you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below. As you can see, I still need to put a little bit of armor on to get rid of these, but overall, absolutely fantastic mats. Couldn't be happier. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you with the next one. Take care.